So Satan will always promise you what he will never force you. And then when you finish destroying yourself, he will do like that. I said, it's not my fault. You are the one who did it by yourself. And then you will see other conversations that came up, and he said, has God said, and this, and they say, you shall not only. He said, God knows that in the day you eat, you will be like him. In whose image were they made? Why don't you just say, shut up? We're already in his image. That's why the next time the other last Adam came, Jesus, he also came out of the garden. You know what? He came out of the wilderness, and he was tempted of the devil. You remember that? So why did he come out of wilderness? Well, the last time we left the garden that God gave us, we left a snake there. What is wilderness? Wilderness is an unkept garden. When you don't keep your garden, it becomes a wilderness. And you leave snakes inside. So we left snake here in Genesis. Jesus came out from that place with the snakes inside there. And the man came again to test him. And then wanted him to doubt who he was. If you are the Son of God, you see that? Same thing here. Eat this, then turn this to bread and prove that you are Son of God. You see, the difference between Jesus and Adam is this. The approval of a father will empower his son. When the father affirms his son, it will empower him. Jesus has already said from baptism, the father had already said, this is my beloved son, having done no miracle, nothing, in whom I am well pleased. And now he gets into the wilderness